Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a low mileage 2013 GMC Terrain SLE, stock number Z7638XA. Only 26,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. We sold this Terrain brand new, crystal red in color. Terrain's a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seats 5. Cloth interior, split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items, backup camera for additional safety, lots of cargo space in the rear with additional storage cubbies on both sides as well as power outlet. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This SLE has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, upgraded Pioneer sound system, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Read gauges, get only 26,000 miles with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones to Pandora and Stitcher radio apps. And that is of course where the backup camera display is. Heating and air conditioning along with heated front seats. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability as well as economy mode. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect those mobile media devices. And a spacious glove box with the inside. Under the hood, this Terrain has a 2.4 liter, 4-cylinder, 182 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy. EPA average of 22 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 32 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. For more information about this Terrain, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.